Today, the Arave brothers explored the science of color. They started off by coloring a scene using a code to figure out which color they needed to use by combining different colors. They explored the chemistry of color. They played with pigments and learned how chemists use them to make paints and dyes. When scientists want to find out what ingredients are in a substance, they often use a colorful process called chromatography. Here's how it works. The substance is added to a material like paper or cloth. Then liquid is added to the paper. As the liquid spreads, it pushes the substance along. The ingredients in the substance are made of tiny pieces with different sizes. The ones with smaller pieces move faster and separate as they get ahead. As each ingredient separates, it forms a stripe. The stripes make it easy to see what the original substance is made of. The bigger pieces move slower, and the smaller pieces move faster. In their crate, they used chromatography to find out what colors of ink were mixed into markers. But scientists use chromatography to examine lots of different substances. From finding out what vitamins are in a food to investigating a crime scene, chromatography helps crack chemical mysteries every day. It was interesting to see what colors make up the marker color. Next, the boys made rainbow spin art. First, they made the spinner. Then they used a dropper to put watercolor on top of the spinner. Once again, they were using science. The colors fly toward the outside of the circle as they spin. That's because things spinning quickly tend to get pulled outward. It's a little bit like one of those swing rides at the carnival. As the ride turns, the swings fly out. The spinner makes the watercolors do the same thing. Lastly, the boys did a walking colors experiment. They placed 5 cups in a row. 3 of the cups had water in them, and 2 of them did not. They put dye in 3 of the cups with water, and then gave a paper towel piece a twist to connect all of the cups together. They let the experiment sit, and it was almost like magic. The water walked from one cup to another. The water sticks to the paper and it also sticks to itself. So when a little bit of water grabs onto the paper, it pulls more water along with it. All that sticking and pulling causes the water to climb up the paper and into the empty cups. Because 2 colors of water climb into each cup at once, the shades mix for a rainbow surprise.